if during the surrender, when General Effiong handed over the surrender note, during that time he handed over just a gun as a surrender, a symbol. Say, this is my gun, I surrender it. That would have been a surrender of gun. But he did not. Rather, it is the thing they signed. And that thing they signed, Nigeria violated that thing they signed, but I will be another day, which is now in court. Because there is a term of the surrender, terms of the surrender. He said, I, General Philip Effiong, he mentioned, said that we now agree to be loyal to the government of Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that the Republic of Biafra now ceases to exist. The Republic ceases to exist. And now we, on this condition, that any future constitution